Hi guys, how you doing? I'm out here at a used car dealership and I saw this Cadillac Escalade EXT here. So it's kind of like the Chevy Avalanche as a Cadillac, and I thought, hey, that's kind of cool. You don't see those very often. And we'll see, maybe it's for sale, but now that I'm close to it, you know, it doesn't look like it's in a good shape. And let's look at the front here. Yeah, man, it's a rough car. So this is definitely one. I don't know if they want to sell this, it needs to be fixed. Let's look a little bit around here. Watch the grass here. It sounds like something was jumping around me here. A little paranoid, not sure what it was. It looks like this has been towed. There's the tow strap. It's right on it. So it's been towed. It looks like it was an accident. Yeah, this would be a pass for me if I want to buy a truck. The paint is gone here. Someone put some really nasty window tint in there. Not a professional job. It has a wheel that's different at the back there, probably the aftermarket one. Blew up or popped the way they were driving. This could also be a stolen vehicle or something. I don't know what was going on with this. It would be interesting to know. Man, look at this. Look at that tire there. I don't know what's going on. Let's see inside. There's a dash wipe in it from a car wash. That's kind of cool. And I can tell that the leather is very broken and very cracked. So that is yeah, that's nothing. So not a car I want to buy, not a car I want to drive. Well, I want to drive it if it's in good shape, but not this one here. Alright guys, thought I would still show it to you, and it's not on their website, so I doubt it's for sale. And if it shows up for sale, we'll take a look at it, and I'll tell you how much he wants for this right now piece of junk. Alright guys, hang in there. Please subscribe and like my channel. I'll see you soon.